Google Data Analytics Professional Certification Practice Questions, Set 1. Question 1. What does the term data integrity refer to? A. The accuracy and consistency of data. B. The speed of data processing. C. The structure of data. D. The variety of data types. The correct answer is A. The accuracy and consistency of data. Data integrity ensures data is accurate, reliable, and consistent over time. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of unstructured data? A. Spreadsheet data. B. Customer purchase data. C. Social media posts. D. Sales transactions. The correct answer is C. Social media posts. Unstructured data lacks a predefined model, like text or multimedia content. Question 3. Which of the following is a common data analysis technique? A. Time series forecasting. B. Data cleaning. C. Data scraping. D. Data normalization. The correct answer is A. Time series forecasting. Time series forecasting predicts future values based on historical data. Question 4. What is the purpose of data visualization? A. To clean the data. B. To present insights in a visual format. C. To collect data. D. To store data efficiently. The correct answer is B. To present insights in a visual format. Visualization helps make complex data more understandable and accessible. Question 5. What is a histogram used for? A. To display categorical data. B. To show data distributions. C. To analyze trends over time. D. To visualize correlations. The correct answer is B. To show data distributions. Histograms visualize the frequency distribution of continuous data. Question 6. Which statement is true about relational databases? A. They store data in tables with rows and columns. B. They store data in a hierarchical structure. C. They do not support SQL queries. D. They store data in unstructured formats. The correct answer is A. They store data in tables with rows and columns. Relational databases use tables to store data in a structured format. Question 7. Which is an example of primary data? A. Survey responses. B. Sales reports. C. Website traffic data. D. Research papers. The correct answer is A. Survey responses. Primary data is collected firsthand, like responses from surveys or experiments. Question 8. What does the term data-driven decision-making refer to? A. Using intuition to make business decisions. B. Making decisions based on personal opinions. C. Making decisions based on data analysis and insights. D. Making decisions based on gut feelings. The correct answer is C. Making decisions based on data analysis and insights. Data-driven decisions rely on facts and data rather than assumptions. Question 9. Which of the following is a data cleaning task? A. Removing duplicates. B. Visualizing data trends. C. Predicting outcomes. D. Analyzing correlations. The correct answer is A. Removing duplicates. Data cleaning involves tasks like removing duplicates to improve data quality. Question 10. What is a correlation coefficient? A. A measure of the central tendency. B. A measure of data variability. C. A measure of the relationship between two variables. D. A measure of data distribution. The correct answer is C. A measure of the relationship between two variables. Correlation coefficient quantifies the strength of the relationship between variables. Question 11. What does data normalization aim to achieve? A. Increase data size. B. Reduce the number of variables. C. Standardize data values to a common scale. D. Remove missing values. The correct answer is C. Standardize data values to a common scale. Normalization transforms data to a consistent range, improving model performance. Question 12. What is a key difference between structured and unstructured data? A. Structured data is organized, unstructured is not. B. Structured data is text-based. C. Unstructured data can be stored in tables. D. Structured data is collected manually. The correct answer is A. Structured data is organized, unstructured is not. Structured data is highly organized, unstructured data is raw and unorganized. Question 13. Which tool is used for data analysis and visualization? A. Microsoft Word. B. Power BI. C. Adobe Photoshop. D. Microsoft PowerPoint. The correct answer is B. Power BI. Power BI is widely used for data analysis and visualization tasks. Question 14. What is a clean dataset? A. A dataset with no missing values. B. A dataset with removed duplicates. C. A dataset with relevant data only. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. A clean dataset is free of errors, missing values, and irrelevant data. Question 15. What is the role of an analyst in data-driven decision-making? A. To create algorithms. B. To identify patterns and present insights. C. To collect and store data. D. To ensure data privacy. The correct answer is B. To identify patterns and present insights. Analysts transform data into actionable insights for informed decision-making. Question 16. Which of the following is a key benefit of using SQL? A. It allows for data visualization. B. It helps store data in rows and columns. C. It enables querying large datasets. D. It simplifies data cleaning. The correct answer is C. It enables querying large datasets. SQL is essential for querying, managing, and analyzing large datasets. Question 17. What is data imputation? A. Replacing missing data with estimated values. B. Removing duplicates from datasets. C. Combining data from different sources. D. Standardizing data to a common scale. The correct answer is A. Replacing missing data with estimated values. Data imputation fills missing values using statistical methods or estimations. Question 18. Which of the following best describes big data? A. Data that is collected from small experiments. B. Data too large or complex for traditional tools. C. Data collected from a single source. D. Data collected from social media. The correct answer is B. Data too large or complex for traditional tools. Big data refers to extremely large datasets that require advanced tools for processing. Question 19. Which of these is an example of qualitative data? A. Temperature. B. Revenue. C. Customer feedback. D. Website traffic. The correct answer is C. Customer feedback. Qualitative data represents non-numeric categories, like opinions or descriptions. Question 20. What is the main function of a bar chart? A. To show proportions. B. To compare values across categories. C. To show trends over time. D. To illustrate distributions. The correct answer is B. To compare values across categories. Bar charts are used to compare values across different categories visually.